My name is Katie Mulry, and I want to be an astronaut. Ever since I was little, I've looked at the stars and have been fascinated by the universe. I decided when I was 7 that I wanted to fly to space, but after learning about the Challenger tragedy, I changed my mind. However, my freshman year in high school, I rediscovered my love for space. I realized that my childhood dream was still my dream, and that I believed that exploration was worth the risks associated with it. I began researching the steps I would need to take to one day become an astronaut, and I realized that I would need a degree in a STEM field. However, I didn't know which field to study in. Recently, Scott Kelly was speaking at a university in my hometown of Dallas, Texas, and I got the opportunity to ask him for his advice.
Pick the thing you like. Don't pick the thing, like don't become a pilot if you're not interested in being a pilot. Don't do that because I'm up here talking to you. If you want to be, a chemist or a doctor, do that, because if you like it, you're going to do better at it. And we spend a lot of our lives at work.
Now, after exploring various STEM careers through several NASA internships, I know that I want to be an aerospace engineer. I want to design systems to explore the universe, and one day I want to do that myself as an astronaut. My 2 internships have made me unbelievably excited to pursue this career path and to hopefully work for NASA and go to space one day. My first internship, NASA High School Aerospace Scholars, gave me the incredible opportunity to plan a Mars mission with a bunch of other high school students. We also got to learn more about the space program and to tour NASA Johnson Space Center facilities. I think back on Haas all the time. The only way I can think to describe it is that it felt close to the sky. My other internship, STEM Enhancement in Earth Science, was a 2-week program where I designed a Mars village with a team of 7. We didn't sleep very much, but our late nights working were some of my favorite. We would go outside on the patio at our dorm and look at the stars, and when we came back and got to work, my heart was full of the universe. Our research culminated in a 40-page paper that impressed our mentor enough that he sent it to NASA's new Mars program manager at Johnson Space Center. I confirmed my desire to go to space this summer. I think back on the Apollo program and the excitement and anxiety of sending men to the moon for the first time. The energy evident in that history excites me. The Apollo astronauts went out into the universe and looked back at the Earth and shared a view that had never been seen before. Seeing the Earth from space must be almost poetic, and the beauty of all that knowledge out there must be incommunicable. But I want to try and share that feeling. I think the beauty of manned spaceflight is the ability to show us what we haven't seen before. We learn about our world by leaving it. I want to go to space because of what I can bring back, the knowledge of having discovered something beautiful and the ability to share that with others. I'm a published author. I want to see the world out the window, and I want to write about it. I want to get people energized about exploration in the same way that learning about space travel energizes me. The achievements of our country's space program have inspired me throughout my life. I want to inspire others. My name is Katie Mulry, and I want to be an astronaut.